Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosy Gold butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold butt plug itself. As you can see, it's got a very elegant and sophisticated look with a gorgeous rosy gold colour. Now this butt plug is perfect for more experienced users and is made of an aluminium material, so it's very suitable for temperature play. For example, you can pop this in cold water or even the fridge for cooler sensations, or you could even pop it in warm water for extra warm sensations during use. It features a beautiful black crystal at the base just here and features a slender body with a pointy tip for easy insertion, providing wonderful anal stimulation during use. Thanks to its geometric design, it's very different from other butt plugs out there. Now, when using this butt plug, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the butt plug after every use, and for this we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Rosy Gold butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.